Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you are waiting for One UI 8.5 stable update for your Galaxy devices, then I have a good news for you guys. So in my previous video, I told you that Samsung will start rolling out One UI 8.5 stable update for global users starting from Monday. And yes guys, I have a good news that Samsung has already started rolling out One UI stable update for many countries for many devices. While I'm recording this video, India time 11:44 AM, let me tell you which country has received the update already and which devices. Okay, Tarun has confirmed that the Galaxy S24 series has already started receiving One UI 8.5 stable update in Germany. As you can see, here have finally the One UI 8.5 rollout started for the Galaxy S24 Plus, obviously other S24 series also. And not just that guys, also like UK users has already started receiving One UI 8.5 stable update, as you can see. And guys, if you are from India and if you have these devices, expect for the Tab series. I don't know, Tab series might receive update today or not, but if you have these devices, Galaxy S24 series including S24 FE and Fold 6 and Flip 6, you might receive the update, who knows, like while watching this video, or you might receive the update before 5 PM, okay, evening 5 PM. And guys, if you live in other countries also, and if it's Monday on your country, then you might receive the update before evening, okay, for these devices. Also, do you guys want to hear more breaking news? Why not, right? The breaking news is Samsung has also started rolling out One UI 8.5 stable update for the Galaxy S23 series in Korea. Not just S23 series, Samsung has also started rolling out One UI 8.5 stable update for the Galaxy A56 users in Korea. So huge news guys. As you can see, this is the screenshot from S23 Korean users who getting One UI 8.5 stable update. As you can see, it comes with the May security page update, which is great. And also guys, I think globally for S23 users and A56 users, I think globally like India, USA, UK users will receive the update on Monday, next Monday I guess, which is 25. But who knows, like Samsung might give us surprise by giving the update tomorrow or day after tomorrow, who knows. But from my experience, I think global users like S23 series and A56 and some other device will receive update next Monday, alright, which is 25. But guys, if you have these devices, you will get the update today. Like S24 series will receive update globally today, okay. And if you haven't received the update in India guys, if you have these devices, you will receive the update before I think 5 PM. So you have waited so long, so just wait 1 or 2 more hours, so you will get the update. Great news for Samsung users today. All these devices will receive update globally today, including India, US, other countries. And for S23 series, Korean users have got the update, and A56 users also. And globally we might receive on next Monday, or maybe if Samsung may surprise us with tomorrow or day after tomorrow, who knows. Like if there will be any news regarding updates, so obviously I will make a video and inform you guys. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. And guys, don't worry, if you haven't received the update till yet, you will receive the update till evening, okay. So don't worry, you have waited so long, so just wait for a few hours more. And if you have any questions, just comment below. I will reply and help you guys. Thank you, have a great day, bye, take care.